In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the entire background color of a page in WordPress using Elementor. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to give any single page its own background color, but you'll also understand how these changes work behind the scenes, letting you customize your website's visual style with confidence. Let's dive right in. You'll want to have your WordPress site open with Elementor installed and activated. We're focusing on changing a background color for just one specific page, not your whole website. This is ideal if, for example, you want your About page to look a little different from your homepage, or you want to draw attention to a sales page with a unique background. First, let's open the page you want to edit with Elementor. Once inside the Elementor editor, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a little gray gear icon. This gear icon stands for Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up the page settings, which gives you controls that affect the entire page, not just individual sections or widgets. If you find yourself accidentally clicking on widgets or sections, just make sure your main panel is showing page settings. It should say Page Settings at the top. Now at the top of this panel, you'll see a few different tabs. Click on the one labeled Style. This is where all your design magic happens for the entire page. It might look different from the controls you use for individual elements, so if you're used to styling buttons or headings, just remember, the Style tab here is specifically for the background, typography, and spacing of the whole page. Scroll down a bit in this Style section until you reach something called Body Style. You might need to expand it if it's collapsed, so just click the title to open it up. Under Background Type, you'll see a paintbrush icon labeled Classic. Click that icon. This lets you choose between a simple color, a gradient, or even an image as your page background. For today, let's stick with a solid color because it's the most universally useful and easiest to control. Now you'll get a color picker. Click into that and you can choose any shade that fits your design. Drag the slider around, click into the color palette, or paste in a hex code if you know exactly the color you need. As soon as you pick a color, you'll see your entire page background update live in the editor. This instant feedback means you can keep adjusting until the color feels just right. Maybe you want something bold to grab attention or a pale, subtle shade to showcase your text. Take your time here, trust your eye, and remember, you can always change it later if you have second thoughts. A quick word of reassurance. If you don't see your color change immediately, double-check that nothing else is set higher up that might be overriding this style, like a page template or custom CSS. Most of the time, though, this process is smooth and works instantly. Finally, once you're happy with your color, make sure to hit the green Update button at the bottom to save your changes. That's it, your single page now has its own custom background color, giving it a distinct, memorable look for your visitors. If this tutorial helped you, please hit that like button. It helps the channel grow and reach more people. Got a question or want to share the background color you picked? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Elementor and WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.